Through today, Hurricane Fiona will move its way northward, currently a Category 4 storm. It will likely lose a little bit of intensity as it tracks west of Bermuda and then up into Canadian waters, potentially making landfall as a Category 2 hurricane early Saturday morning. The landfall will be somewhere on the eastern edge of mainland Nova Scotia, heading up towards Cape Breton. It could maintain its status as a Category 2 storm over Cape Breton and then be reclassified as a post-tropical cyclone. Regardless of its status, it is going to bring a large impact in terms of rainfall, storm surge, and hurricane force winds. The strongest wind and surge will be on the eastern side of that landfall. So we're watching the eastern shore of Cape Breton up towards southern Newfoundland. On the west side of the track, north and northwest of the landfall, we will see the heaviest rain. So that's going to be somewhere between Halifax up towards Cape Breton. Potentially, we're talking more than 200 millimeters of rain, potentially 200 to 250 millimeters. If you think a little bit differently, that's potentially up to 10 inches of rainfall expected for some of the highest areas. The strongest wind gusts will really begin to peak on Friday night in through Saturday, and it's a very wide wind field that potentially could be seeing hurricane force winds. The other factor will be the wave heights and the storm surge. A number of areas could potentially be seeing wave heights in excess of 10 meters. Now, the rain heavily today in New Brunswick slowly moves eastward. By tonight, overnight tonight into Friday, that heavy band of rain sits over PEI and parts of Nova Scotia. That front then combines with Fiona and moves its way in. The heaviest rainfall will be overnight Friday into Saturday as that storm nears the shores of Nova Scotia.